Hey everybody, it's Julie here and I'm going to show you how to find the schedule for final presentations. You will go into Canvas, you'll click on your calendar, and then you'll move to December on the date. On December, you should see, find appointment. Okay, so December, you only notice like our class link here in Zoom and then the paper. But if you choose find appointment right here on the right hand side and make sure that your calendar is toggled to 256, it will say, ooh, which ones are we looking for? Yep, that's right. You'll notice they all appear. So there are our presentations. See how we have to run into finals week. We may get a gap or two here and there for a nice little bit of extra break, but I have them set for 8 minutes because that gives you enough time to get started and answer a couple of questions after your 5 to 6 minute presentation is over. So say you want to do the 808, you can just click on it, and then you can leave your little comment here and then reserve. It's that easy. That's how you find it. You make sure that you toggle to calendar, to December, move forward 1 month to December, and then over here choose find appointment. Once you see the list of appointments, you just double click on the appointment time that you want, and then you reserve it. And that's all it takes. I look forward to seeing your presentation soon, and next week is movie night.